Namaste. I'm using this word a lot, and I would like to describe it today, explaining its meaning. Namaste consists of two parts. Namas comes from the verbal root nam, which in Sanskrit means to bow, and te means to you. So namaste means bowing to you or salutations to you. Usually when we say namaste, we bring our palms together at the breastbone and we'll release the shoulders down, allowing our shoulders to relax. This gesture, known as Namaskara Mudra. Namaskara has similar meaning to Namaste. Kara means to do or action in Sanskrit. So Namaskara is do salutations or just simply salutation. Therefore Namaskara Mudra known as salutation gesture. We use it often in yoga practice. We usually say namaste to each other at the beginning and the end of the class. We use this gesture at the beginning of sun salutations, Surya Namaskara, where we salute to the sun. And we can use it as gesture for meditation. You can just find any comfortable position where you sit with your back straight, with your shoulders and hips relaxed, and then keeping your hands together at your heart, just gently close your eyes and bring all your awareness inwards. After you hold this gesture, Namaskara Mudra, for some time, you may feel some gentle changes. You may feel like the energy is being drawn towards your heart center, Anahata chakra. Try it for yourself, see if it works, and let me know what other gestures you would like to know about. Thank you and Namaste.